Welcome to Home of Math. Today we are starting Part 12 exercise 1.5 class 6. Please note that here is simplification of fraction number 10, 11 and 12 we already solved earlier. You will get the video link in the description and also first comments. Now we will start number 13. So these kinds of fractional simplification we have to convert mixed fraction to improper fraction, and also we should follow bracket, then division and multiplication, actually which one will come first, then plus and minus. So first one, here is 2 by 5 times third bracket start 5 divide 32 times second bracket start first bracket start. Here is 3, 1 by 3 is a mixed fraction, so we can write 3 times 3 is a 9, 9 plus 1 is a 10 divide 3 plus here is 8, 4 by 9, so 9 times 8 is a 72, 72 plus 4 is a 76 divide 9, first bracket close, then division again first bracket, 12 times 6 is a 72, 72 plus 1 is a 73 divide 12 minus, then 3, 7 by 8, it means 8 times 3 is a 24, 24 plus 7 is a 31 divide 8, first bracket close, second bracket also close, plus now this one we can write in here. So 7 1 by 3 1 by 7, so 7 times 3 is a 21, 21 plus 1 is a 22 divide 7 division sign, 4 2 by 5, it means 5 times 4 is a 20 plus 2 22 by 5 times here is 4 2 by 3, it means 3 times 4 is a 12, 12 plus 2 is a 14 divide 3, and finally third bracket closed. Now everything will be unchanged, we will work only for first bracket. Okay, so here is 2 by 5 times 5 by 32 times second bracket start, and look here is a 10 by 3 plus 76 by 9. So this one we can make LCM, 3 and 9 LCM is a 9, so 9 divide 3 is a 3, 3 times 10 is a 30. Okay, plus here is 76 divide again here another first bracket. So what will be the LCM of 12 and 8? 12 and 8 we can divide by 2, so here is 6, here is 4, again we can divide by 2, here is 3 and 2, so 2 times 2 is a 4, 4 times 3 is a 12, 12 times 3 2 is a 12, 24, so 24, 24 divide 12, it's what, it's 2, so 73 times 2 is a 146, 146, right? Then minus 24 divide 8, it should 3, 31 times 3 is a 93. Okay, then second bracket close, plus here we will not touch anything because first bracket work till not complete, it will be unchanged. Okay, now 2 divide 5 times 5 divide 32 times here is 76 plus 30, it's a 106 divide 9 divide here is 146 minus 93, 53, right? 53 and divide here is 24. First bracket work completed. Now second bracket plus here is 22 divide 7 divide 22 by 5 times 14 divide 3. Third bracket. Now 2 by 5 times 5 by 32 times second bracket 106 divide 9. Look, this is a division sign. So once we divide one fraction to another fraction, first fraction will be unchanged, second fraction will be multiply, and the fraction will be reverse. It means 24 divide 53, right? Then plus here is 22 by 7 divide 22 by 5 times 14 by 3, close third bracket. Now look, here we can divide something. 106 divide 53, it will be 2, and here is 1. And similar, 24 we can divide by 3, so here is 8, and 9 we can divide it by 3, so this is 3. So here is 2 by 5 times 5 by 32 times here is 8 times 2 is a 16 divide 3. Okay, then plus here is 22 by 7, this is inside third bracket, so multiply, 5 will be denominator and 22 will be numerator. 5 denominator will become numerator and 22 numerator will become denominator, times here is 14 by 3 inside third bracket. So 2 by 5 times. Now look, 32 divide 16, here is 2. This 22 and this 22 out. This 14 can divide by 7, so here is 2. So finally we can get here is 5, and here is 2 times 3 is a 6, plus 5 times 2 is a 10, and here is 3. These kinds of thing you should keep maintain very carefulness. So 2 by 5 times the LCM is 6, right? So here is 5, and 6 divided 3 is a 2, 2 times 10 is a 20. Okay, then 2 by 5 times here is 5 plus 20 is a 25 divide 6, so 25 by 5 it should 5, and 2 divide 6 is a 3, so answer is 5 by 3. It's an improper fraction. Actual answer is 1 2 by 3. This is our answer. I hope you can understand this everything. So number 13 done. Now we will start 14, and this video we are trying to solve 14 and 15 also. 7 1 by 2, this one we can write 7 times 2 is a 14, 14 plus 1 is a 15 by 2, minus third bracket. This one we can write 3 1 by 4, it means 13 by 4, divide second bracket start 3 by 4 minus 1 by 3. Then look, 2 by 3 minus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 8. This one has no mixed fraction, so direct we can make LCM. So 3 6 8, LCM is we can divide by 2, so here is 3, here is 3, here is 4, right? Again we can divide by 3, so 1 1 and 4. So 2 times 3 is a 6, 6 times 4 is a 24. So our LCM is 24, right? 24 divide by 3, so 8 times 2 is a 16, minus 24 divide 6 4, 4 times 1 is a 4, plus 24 can divide by 8, so 3 times 1 is a 3. So first bracket, second bracket, and third bracket closed. So 15 by 2 minus 13 by 4 divide 3 by 4 minus 1 by 3, and look, once we finished first bracket, so it will be considered as a multiplication. So 16 plus 3 is a 19. 19 minus 4 is a 15. Divide 24. So first bracket done, second bracket close, third bracket close. So 15 divide 2 minus 13 by 4 divide 3 by 4. So inside second bracket we should work first multiplication. So 15 divide 3 is a 5. So 3 by 4 minus 5 by 24, right? Second bracket close, third bracket close. Now 15 by 2 minus 13 by 4 divide inside second bracket, again LCM 24. 24 by 4 is a 6. 6 times 3 is a 18 minus 5. So this one 15 by 2 minus, so 13 by 4 divide, so 18 minus 5 is a 13, divide 24. Second bracket done, third bracket closed. Now 15 by 2 minus inside third bracket 13 by 4. So we are division, we divide one fraction to another fraction. So second fraction will be multiply and the fraction will be what? Reverse. So 24 divide 13. Okay. So this 13 and this 13 out. So 24 by 4 is a 6. So here is a 15 by 2 minus 6. Okay. So we can make LCMs 2. Here is a 15. 6 times 2 is a 12. So 15 minus 12 is a 3. Divide 2. This one we can write 1 by 2. How? 3 we can divide 2. So 1 2 divide, here is a 1. So 1 of 1 by 2. So our 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 done. And today's and also this exercise 1.5 last math, which is number 15. Let's start. Number 15. 1 5 by 6, it means 6 times 1 is a 6. 6 plus 5 11 by 6, plus this one is 7 1 by 3, it means 22 by 3, right? Minus third bracket start 1 3 by 4, it means 4 plus 3, it means 7 by 4, right? Then plus 3 times 3 is a 9. 9 plus 2 is a 11 by 3, minus first bracket start second 6 1 by 2, it means 12 plus 1 13 by 2, minus 2 1 by 3, it means 6 plus 1 7 by 3, and here is off 2 times 1 1 plus 1 is a 3 by 2 plus 3 by 4, first bracket second bracket third bracket done. Okay. Now what should I do? Look, we know first bracket, second, here is a important option which is off. So our next priority should be off, right? So we can write 11 by 6 plus 22 by 3 minus 7 by 4 plus second bracket start 11 by 3 minus, here is 13 by 2 minus, now look, here is 7 by 3 or 3 by 2, right? So this one 3 and 3 out, so we can write 7 by 2 plus 3 by 4, then first bracket second bracket third bracket. So 11 by 6 plus 22 by 3 minus 7 by 4 plus 11 by 3. Now 2 2 and 4 LCM should be 4. So 2 it would be 26, this one is 14 and this one is 3, right? Okay. Now 11 by 6 plus 22 by 3 minus 7 by 4 plus 11 by 3 minus, here is a 26 plus 3 is a 29, 29 minus 14, so it's a 15 by 4, second bracket and third bracket closed because first bracket done. Now here is 11 by 6 plus 22 by 3 minus 7 by 4 plus, and here is 3 and 4 LCM is 12, so 12 divide 3 4 times 11 is a 44, and 12 divide 4 is a 3 times 15 is a, here is a minus 45, right? So 11 by 6 plus 22 by 3 minus 7 by 4 plus, look, here is a, look, 44 minus 45, it's not possible, therefore as per algebraic formula it should be minus 1. So this one is minus 1, and in the back side here is a plus and here is a minus 1. You already know about this one, plus and minus become minus, so here is 1. It means we cannot use plus sign, here should be minus, and here is a 1 by 12, right? Okay, now 11 by 6 plus 22 by 3 minus, again LCM, here is a 12, 12 by 4 is a 3, 3 times 7 is a 21, and here is a minus 1. Okay, then 11 by 6 plus 22 by 3 minus 21 minus 1 is a 20, divide 12. So what is the LCM? It should 12, so 6, 12 by 6 2, 22 plus 12 by 3 is a 4, 4 times 22 is 88 minus 20. Okay, now look, 22 plus 80 minus 20, so here is a 2 and is a 90, 90 by 12. So what can we do? We can divide by 6. If we divide by 6, here is a what, 15 by 90 divided 6 is a 15, and 12 divided 6 is a 2, so 15 by 2. This one we can write 7 1 by 2. How? Because 15 once we divide by 2, so 7, here is a 14, so 15 minus 14 is a 1, and our answer is 7 1 by 2. This is our answer. So thank you very much being with me. By long time you are with me, and today we are trying to solve exercise 1.5, and this part is especially simplification of fraction, which is very important for examination around the world. So no more today, very soon we will start next chapter. Till then, keep practice at home, and if you think this video is helping you, please subscribe my channel Home of Math. Thank you.